Chopping and dropping again. Part of the reason why this is so important is because it creates mulch. Not just because the knives are so much fun to work with, but when things are not watered, as you can see here, it hit 140 degrees. Oh wow, I forgot it hit 140 degrees. I've been saying it hit 120. Holy cow, I forgot it hit 140 degrees. I totally have been saying it's 120. Yeah, so it went down way more. Way more. 60 degrees. Whoa. I totally scaled back something that I was saying because I had a memory that it hit 140, but I couldn't find the picture. And here's the picture. Wow. So the difference between chopping and dropping and creating mulch is over 60 degrees. It's the difference between cooking alive and thriving. So we really need to think about how we can improve things, because just watering only lowered at 20 degrees, well 25. But 60 degrees and 25 degrees are apples and oranges. If we really want to make a difference, if we really want to conserve water, we really want a resilient system, we have to be mulching, we have to be doing chop and dropping. And this is why, I'm all about mulch. This is why in all my systems I'm using living mulch. I'm using, dead mulch. I'm using compost. I'm using everything to build up that layer of topsoil and protection on top of it. So, yeah. Whew, 60 degrees, and it's Fahrenheit, but you can see really, if you look really closely here, you can see that it goes from 60 degrees Celsius all the way down to 25 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius difference. That's huge. This is what I'm talking about. This is why it's so important to measure things, to test things for yourself, because you'll shock yourself with this kind of stuff, and you'll find yourself doubting unless you actually document it, because it's so wild the difference we can make. Permaculture provides a pathway to abundance that transcends the degenerative problems and systems of today, that allows us to step outside of their system and to be able to provide, connect, and form community at such a high level that we can restore, we can rebuild, and we can regenerate. I'm so excited for you to join us in the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. This year is going to be absolutely incredible. We have so many educators involved. We have so many people involved in this lifetime community. Once you sign up, you're part of that community. You can take it as many times as you like. You can join us in the live over and over again. People do. Folks go from learning to practicing to taking that action to making it real, becoming teachers, making it their career. They're now running a mushroom business. They're now running a landscaping and design business, running events for people to start learning this themselves. They've become teachers. All these options and more, so many more in the regenerative economy are showcased in this course. That's why there's over 70 different educators, because we need to have all those different voices to show the full range of what's possible for you and for everyone. I'm Matt Powers, author, educator, citizen scientist, seed saver, gardener, and family guy, and I teach people all over the world how to live more regeneratively. And it all starts with the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. Join us, join this community, join this course. It will change your life. That's what my students have told me. That's what people have been saying for years. This course changes lives. So join us, learn what's possible, and start on your path into the regenerative future. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And I'll see you inside the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. It starts soon. Click the link below and join us.